Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely transform your old, maybe chipped, worn down manicure into a really fresh manicure if you are like me and a little bit too lazy to redo your entire nails for a whole fresh manicure, or if you don't have a ton of time. I'm going to show you some quick and easy tips and tricks on how to transform your manicures from looking old and chipped to brand new and fresh. So first I'm going to show you how you can fix any tip wear that you might have. This happens a lot if you work a lot with your hands. You might not have chipping elsewhere on your manicure, you just have some tip wear. All you have to do is take a thin nail polish brush and a fun nail polish color. I would prefer metallics or glitters for this because it's also going to hide any texture that you might have that isn't completely perfect with the rest of your nail. And if you don't have a nail art brush, it's also super easy to do this. You can just take the brush of the nail polish color that you've chosen and just wipe over the tip wear, and then you have a brand new fresh manicure with a little bit of nail art for some fun added bonus. And I just think it looks like a really nice clean manicure, and it takes a lot less time than having to take off all your nail polish and repaint them. For any chips elsewhere on the nail, like by your cuticle or even on the side of your nail, you can do a half moon shape like I'm doing here. So this half moon shape, you can make it as big as you need to cover up any of the chips. So you just, again, take a nail art brush and just go over that area with your polish. If you don't have a nail art brush, you could also use a toothpick for this. That would be perfectly fine as well. You could try using the brush of the polish, but that might be a little bit messy once you get towards the cuticle of your nail. But honestly, all you have to do is make that half moon shape, fill it in, and it covers up all of the imperfections. And like I said, I like using either a metallic polish or a glitter polish because it's also going to hide any of the texture, because you're going to have a thicker texture where the nail polish is than where there's no nail polish from the chipping. So it just covers all that up and it just makes you look like you have a nice fresh manicure. And that is it. I honestly really think this manicure is cute. It so happened that my ring finger had chips, so I was able to create an accent nail for this look. But if you do have time, I would also very highly recommend applying another layer of top coat, because you're also going to be able to extend the wear of your manicure even longer now that you have spruced it up. So those are my fun tips. I honestly do this all the time, especially like the little French manicure for tip wear. I do it all the time when I don't have a lot of time, and then I just apply another layer of top coat and I can get it's actually several more days out of my manicure than I would have normally. So I really hope you guys enjoyed these tips. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so I'd really love if you could subscribe to my channel. And let me know if this video helped you out down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.